So do your burgers fall apart on the grill? Do they kind of look and taste like meatloaf, or do they puff up like meatballs? We're here to help. Here's how you can make the perfect burger patty. Are you envious of those Instagram-worthy burgers? Here's some tips to help form the perfect one, all right? First of all, I want you to use nice and cold grind, right from the refrigerator. In this case, I'm using 80/20, okay? And you see I've got a kitchen scale here because I've got a pound of ground beef that I'm going to form into 1/3 patties. So I put it on the scale and I get 5 1/3, right? I don't spend too much time with this though. And then to hand form it, I put that grind in my hand and I'm pressing, you'll notice with my thumbs in the middle, I press an indentation and I create a wall on the outside with very little cracks is the goal. Because when this cooks, it'll kind of puff up in the middle and this will counter that so you don't get a meatball. I don't spend much time with it so I don't get meatloaf texture. So that's how you can hand form a patty. Another tip is to use a ring mold. So I've got this ring mold that I can take again, a 1/3 pound volume of ground chuck, put on the center and push toward the outside. Again, I have a little bit of an indentation in the center. I push it to the walls and then I'm out. So that's how to form a patty, either with a ring mold or by hand. And that's going to give you success at the grill. For more grilling tips, check out our other videos from the test kitchen at Certified Angus Beef.